Yeah, so I'm with Kathy. This is what we're doing for our Valentine's romantic day. We're going out to jobs today. So anyway, this is going to be an awesome job when it's done. The big reveals later this week, and we just kind of stop by here. We'll do a little video now, but we're going to do a bigger one later in the week with inside the house and at night and everything else. So anyway, y'all have a great Valentine's.